After the campaign setup has been completed, step 2, it's high time to make sure you have enough balance to start running those campaigns. For that, you need to click Add Funds, and we're landing to the Finance section, the Payment subsection, where you have to choose the preferred type of payment, which are Visa or MasterCard, credit card, bank transfers, PayPal, or crypto payment. Before making the actual payment, just make sure that you have all the information added to the platform. Go to Profile and Billing Details. Here you need to choose between individual or company account. Just mind that when you're adding company account and if it's European Union or the countries which have VAT policy, you need to add the VAT number so that the tax is not taken from your account. Just add the company name, the company website, the tax identification number or registration number, business area from the list, the country, the city, address and postal code. Click Save and we're good to go. Let's go back to the Finance section. You can actually do it by clicking on the wallet here, and we're again landed on the Payment subsection. Let's see how it's done. In my case, as you can see, the panel indicates all the taxes and fees. I've added Estonia, and Adcash is also registered in Estonia, which means that it's going to be 20% taking from the prepayment that I'm going to make. Click Proceed to make payment, and we're landing on the page where we need to add all the credit card details and proceed to the actual payment. Let's go back. Next subsection is wallet statement, where you can actually enable automatic payment, which is available only for credit cards and PayPal. Set up the amount that you want to be taken every time automatically. For example, if we put this and, for example, 100 threshold, this will mean that every time when your account balance reaches $100 or euro, depending on the currency of your account, your credit card, in this case, or PayPal if you choose it, will be charged $1,000, which will directly be added to your balance. Just click Agree and enable automatic payment, and this is a secure option, for example, during weekends when your campaigns are running and when you know that you can spend a bit more than you expect and you don't want the campaigns to be paused. This is a perfect option to make sure that the campaigns keep running at any time without your involvement. In the wallet statement, when you have run some campaigns for a month at least, you will be able to check your spendings and how much funds you have received. By running some reports, you can see how much you spent in the last 7 days, for example, or the last month, or in the last 6 months. Also, the panel allows you to add funds here. As you can see, everything is linked. You can come back here as well. The next subsection, invoice history. In your case, there hasn't been any movement so far. That's why you don't see anything here, but after adding a couple of payments, you will see those invoices, so you can download them with all your payment information, with all the taxes and fees included for your finance department, for example. You can download them here from this very section. Also, let's go back to the payment part. There is also one important section, redeem voucher. Adcash offers, after some events or after some promos, different vouchers for different amounts, and by clicking redeem a voucher, we're landed here where you just need to add the code from the voucher and the amount of the voucher will be added to your balance. That's pretty much it. I really hope you will have a great experience with Adcash. Everything is set up right now. Go and run your campaigns. And if you have any questions, you can always look them up in the knowledge library, or you can contact our support team.
Thank you for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like. If you have any questions, please leave your comments below or send us an email to contact@adcash.com. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. And see you next time. Ciao!